Magandang hapon po ng Monday, November 25, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 25, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, November 25, 2024. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, November 25, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, November 25, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.